Did you know that Chilean mussels are one of the most sustainable sources of protein? For this wonderful, all-natural product to reach your table, it is cultivated and processed with care, balancing the gifts of nature and modern sustainable technology. Our mussels come from the archipelago of Chiloé in southern Chile in Patagonia, an area known for its natural beauty and unique mussel. To grow our mussels, we catch mussel larvae known as spat in the fjords of continental Chiloé. When the mussel spat develops into juvenile size, the mussels are seated in special ocean areas on long-line ropes which are suspended on the ocean surface. The mussels feed on the natural algae and ocean phytoplankton, which are especially abundant thanks to the Humboldt Current. After about a year, once they reach adult size, the mussels are harvested and transported to our state-of-the-art processing plants. Here, the mussels are cleaned, graded, cooked, and flash frozen within hours of being harvested. All mussels are cleaned, declumped, and debearded prior to being graded by size and then selected for one of several product formats: half shell, vacuum-packed whole shells, or mussel meat. The previously cleaned mussels are debearded and graded and then cooked in specialized pressure cookers. The mussel meats separate from the shells during cooking and subsequent mechanical shakers. Immediately after, the mussel meats are deep frozen in free-flow cold tunnels at -18 degrees Celsius. The process takes no more than 7 minutes. The individual mussels are then inspected with optical laser selectors that separate broken shell pieces and other impurity. They are then dipped in cold water showers for protective glazing to prevent dehydration. Finally, the mussels are hand-inspected to remove any remaining broken shells or foreign objects prior to being packed and cold stored at -20 degrees Celsius. After the mussels have been washed, declumped, debearded, and graded, they go through automatic optical selectors and manual inspections that separate out broken shells or other impurity. The mussels then are vacuum-packed, shell-on, pasteurized, and flash-frozen. Once washed, declumped, debearded, and graded, the larger mussels are steam-cooked in order to facilitate the shucking of half-shell. The mussels are hand-shucked and immediately after are flash-frozen at -20 degrees Celsius. They are then dipped in cold water showers for protective glazing to prevent dehydration. Product is packed and cold stored at -20 degrees Celsius until shipping. Throughout this process, mussels are checked by the quality control team in order to assure the product quality and highest food safety requirements. This is how we at St. Andrews, the largest mussel grower in the world, produce, harvest, and export our mussels from the fjords and oceans of Chiloé in Chilean Patagonia to over 60 countries and 5 continents around the world. Our mussels are all organic, all natural, and sustainable seafood, and comply with the highest quality, food safety, and environmental standards anywhere in the world. St. Andrews, best for the planet.